Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Fahad and welcome to the series of pandas tutorial. So guys, in the previous video we have saw about many things about before few videos I have told you about like how you can load this text data, CSV file and other kinds of file. And in today's video, in this video I'm going to show you like how you can load the JSON file and the Excel file which were left in the previous tutorial. So I'm going to bring it in our today's video, and here we are going to see that how you can load your JSON file and Excel file. So let's first know that what is JSON file. So guys, this JSON file is nothing, it's just a JavaScript object notation file. It's a human readable file. Like this file is in the form of keys and value pair. So let's see that how you can load the JSON file. So without any delays, let's get to start the videos. And for that, first I will open my Jupyter notebook. So let's open the Jupyter notebook. So here is my Jupyter notebook, and here I have already loaded my prepared my JSON file. So JSON file, as I have already told you, like it's nothing but it's a key value pair. So here you can see that I have loaded inside a triple quote. This means that it's a string file. I'm loaded in the form of a string. So here you can see that this name is a key and this all the values, and again here 0 key and the name Aditya, May, Aman, John. Just Aditya is just my name and Aman is just my friend's name. I have mentioned it here. So actually I have two friends Aman, so okay, let's move. So let's see about how you can load the pandas this JSON file. So first what I will do, so let's run this. So I'm going to run this. So now for importing the JSON file, I'm going to first import JSON. And one more guys, let's suppose that if you want to read this JSON file, so what I will do, I will just copy this JSON file which I have made. Let's copy it, and I'm gonna show you how you can read it very easily. So you just need to type here JSON viewer, and you will get many links. I'm just gonna click on this first link, that is jsonviewer.stack.hu, and here, okay, let it. So here I'm gonna paste my that JSON file which I have made, JSON, and I'm gonna paste it here. I'm just gonna remove these quotes. Let me name this. Now inside the viewer, I'm gonna view this JSON viewer will show you this JSON file in a very readable format. So here you can see that this is my JSON file, and this JSON file contains the name, gender, age, and when I will click on this name, you will see all the keys and values present inside this. So like this, you can see that this is my name. You can say this is my name, this is key value. So all the key values are mentioned here. That is, name is my key value, gender is my key value, age is my key value, and you can see that inside this, let me show it here only. So you can see that inside the name I have again the key value pair. So this is the format of dictionaries. I have again mentioned key format here. So inside the name, G is my key and this Aditya, all the names are my values. So you can see that this is my keys and this is my values, and same in the gender, you can say that 0, 1, 2, these are my keys, and this male, female, all my values. So this is how you can read your JSON file. If you want to read, if you're facing any problem, you can read it here like this. So let's move ahead. So I have loaded my JSON, import JSON, and now I'm gonna load this. So what I will do for loading, so let me assign this first this data variable name, and now I will type here json dot loads, and inside this I'm going to pass this JSON file name, that is this student. So student, and now I'm gonna print this. So you can see that all the key and values pair. This is my JSON file which contains the name, gender, age as keys and all these values. So now I'm gonna dump this file inside the another file. So for loading our JSON file, I'm gonna dump this. So I will type here as JSON equal to JSON dot dump, and now I will print it. So you can see that I have dumped my JSON file. So here you can see that all the name, gender, male and all this key value pair. And now I'm gonna load this file. I'm gonna transform the JSON file. You can see that it is in the form of that is keys and value. So I'm gonna represent it in the form of data frame. I'm gonna convert it into a data frame. For that I will first import my pandas library. So I will type here import pandas, and now I'm gonna transform this JSON file into a data frame. So I will type here, let's suppose A, and now pd dot read JSON, and inside this pd dot data frame, because I'm converting into a data frame. So I'm gonna type here data frame, and inside this I'm gonna pass this data. And now when I will run this, so you can see that here my JSON file has been converted into a beautiful tabular format, that is a data frame, which contains name, gender, age as a column and this 0, 1, 2, 3 as an index. And inside this all my key values. The name was my key, so here its values are represented, as you can see that Aditya, Aman, John, Joseph, gender male, female, female, male and their ages. So this is the way of loading your JSON file. I hope you now know that how to load a JSON file, how to read a JSON file. Now let's see about reading the Excel file, like how you can read the Excel file. So for reading the Excel file, let's suppose that first I have imported my pandas library already. So let's name some variable. So I'm typing ex, and for reading the Excel file I will type here pd dot read Excel. So for reading here, what I will do, I will type here pd dot read Excel, and inside this I'm gonna pass some I'm gonna pass the location of my Excel file. So let me find some Excel file. So this is not, let me go to the download section, and where is my some Excel file. So here is my Excel file, employee details. I'm gonna copy the path of this file. So here's the file of, I copied this, and now I'm gonna paste it here. So let me turn this all backslash into forward slash. Enter the name. What's the name? What was the name? Employee details. And after typing the name of my file, I will type here XL access, because I am loading the Excel file, and for loading the Excel file you need to type here your file name and .xlxx. So let me type it xlxx, and now I'm gonna print this. I will type here x, and you can see that our Excel file have been loaded. Contains city, state, employee name, salary, variable, incentive, appraisal rate, joining date, all the information I am able to get it here just by loading my Excel file. So this is the way of loading your Excel file. You just need to type the pt.read excel and just need to pass the file name, and after that you just need to type your .xlsx. So okay guys, this was all about today's video, where we have saw about like how you can read or load the JSON file, like the JavaScript object notation file, and also about loading the Excel file. So I will see you in the next video. Till then guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it and please like and share my video. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.